Hi there, this is Chris Alagar. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm in resort. I'm going swimming. So check it out. So what are you waiting for? Let's get it on. Nagbablog nga eh. I'm going to show you my foods. Very delicious foods. And swimming. Having some good time. Rock and roll.
Ano may titipon?
May mushroom.
Oh, kailangan mo na 5 piso?
Oo.
Bakit?
Hanapin niya.
Babato ko.
Kanin ka ba kulay?
Kumakay ka.
Hello guys! Swimming! So cold! Sobrang lamig! Ang sarap!
Ganito kasi. Hindi, yung isa kami mag-iit yung gano'n.
So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell, like this goddamn video, you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.